If you're an engineer or a designer, you already know the struggle. Turning ideas into exact, usable blueprints, fast. That's where AutoCAD steps in as an absolute game changer. Let me break it down. First, precision. With AutoCAD, I can lock in measurements down to the tiniest detail. No more worrying about human error or messy eraser marks. When I say a component is exactly 50 millimeters, it's 50.000 millimeters, every single time. Next, speed. AutoCAD isn't just drawing, it's design at warp speed. I can copy, mirror, and array parts of my drawing in seconds. Ever tried manually redrawing an array of holes or fixtures? Nope, not missing that. Layers and templates keep everything organized, so I'm never hunting for that one critical line buried in a pile of sketches. Edits? Easy. If I need to tweak a design, I just change what I need, no starting over. That means fewer headaches and way more flexibility. AutoCAD also nails documentation. I get standardized professional drawings with clear dimensions and notes, so everyone on the team is on the same page. That means fewer mistakes on the shop floor or at the construction site. 3D modeling? Oh yeah. It's not just about flat blueprints anymore. I can spin, orbit, and review a design in full 3D. It's perfect for presentations or catching issues before they turn into costly problems. And sharing is a breeze. AutoCAD plays nice with tons of file formats, so whether my team's using DWG, DXF, or even PDFs, everyone's included. Finally, there are industry-specific tools built right in. Whether I'm designing a building, laying out circuits, or modeling parts for a machine, there's an AutoCAD flavor for that. Bottom line, AutoCAD doesn't just save time, it multiplies what I can do. If you're serious about design, this isn't just software, it's your new superpower.